The next B exercise. Complete the story by choosing words from the box. Give a suitable title to the story and write what you have learned from it. So in the box there are few words that is given. With those words we have to fill in the blanks. Stole, depend, gardener, rewarded, decided, upset, punished, caught, apples, asleep, angry, thief, duty, realized, eldest, reason. Stole means to take away somebody's something. Depend means to hold on to someone. Gardener, a person who takes care of the gardener. Rewarded means for doing something, you are giving them something, that is called reward. Upset, not very happy. Punished, to give some punishment. Caught, to catch. Apples, fruit. Asleep, went to sleep. Angry, not very good, not feeling very happy, feeling very angry. Thief, a person who steals. Duty, different people have different duties. As a student, what is your duty? To study. Realized, that means you understood about something. Eldest, the first one of the house. If you are in a family and there are 3 children, the eldest means the oldest one. So these are the words given in the box. Now, a king had a beautiful garden. In the garden stood a tree which bore juicy and tasty apples. These apples were always counted. At the time when they began to ripen, it was found that every night one of them was gone. The king became very angry at this and ordered the gardener to keep a watch at night. So what is in the story? It is the beginning. There is a king and the king had some beautiful garden. And in that garden, what was there? There was an apple tree which had juicy, tasty apples. So always he used to count these apples. But when they began to ripen, what happened? It was getting lost. So will you like something getting lost from your garden? No, like that the king also was not very happy. He became very angry at this and ordered the gardener to keep a watch at night, to take the person who is looking after the garden, to watch who is coming at the night and doing that. So let us fill now. The Dash asked his eldest son to keep an eye on the apple tree. So, who asked? The gardener asked the eldest son to keep an eye on the apple tree. But in the morning, one apple was gone again. The next night, he asked his second son, to look for the apples. Again, the same thing happened. One of the apples was again missing. The gardener was very upset. He tried to find out the thief and realized that both his sons, instead of doing their duty, went off to sleep. The thief came and easily stole the apples. What does the thief do? Steals. So the thief came and easily stole the apples. The gardener was very angry with his son and decided to do the night duty himself. So since these 2 sons were not doing the duty properly, the gardener was very angry. And what did he do? He decided to take care of the garden. He kept awake the whole night. The thief came as usual, thinking that the guard must be asleep. So again that night what happened? The thief came thinking that he can steal. But was he asleep? No. But the gardener caught him and took him to the king. So when he was awake, he saw the thief. What did he do? He caught the thief and took him to the king. The king punished the thief. So what did the king do? He punished the thief and rewarded the gardener. So when you do something good, you reward them. Isn't it? When you get good marks or when you do it in a very good handwriting, teachers give you star. That's a reward for you. Like that, this king gave the gardener a reward. The gardener realized that one should do one's own work and not depend on others. So, at last, the gardener understood we should do our own duty. We should not give our duty given to us to someone else to do. So, if he would have done that before by instead of telling his sons to do, will that apples get lost? No, it would not have. So, he learned that we should do our own duty. So, what is the title? Title means name of the story. What will you give? Do your own work. I will give the story's title as Do Your Own Work. What is the moral of the story? One should do one's work and not depend on others. So, the moral of the story is one should do one's work and not depend on others. So, if you are a child, if teacher is giving you to write, you should write for yourself. You should not make others to write. What happens if you give others to write? You will not learn. Instead, if you write, you will learn. So, did you understand this story? Okay.